Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to restore old YouTube layout. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to go to Google Web Store and then click the very first link that you can see here. Now you have to go to the search icon or search bar and then type this YouTube Redux. So this platform or this extension will allow your YouTube layout to go back to the old version of this YouTube platform. Now you can read and see the sample layout. So as you can see, they have, or the older version has this smaller thumbnails compared to the newest version. You can see the overview here. And then after that, you have to click this add to Chrome. After that, click add extension, wait as it is processing and downloading. Now click this one or click the extension icon and then pin this in order for you to see this right away. So that's pretty simple. It is already installed. Now go to your YouTube again, and then you will see here that the version of your YouTube now has this smaller thumbnails and smaller versions of videos. You could also add other extensions such as a violent monkey and other things here, but it's up to you. You can just try and you could try this YouTube Redux in order for you to restore the YouTube layout to the older version. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.